It was a moment watched by over 500 million people, and it changed history forever. The Apollo 11 mission wasn't just about science. It was about proving something. During the height of the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a race to conquer space. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold promise to land a man on the moon before the decade was out. NASA had just 8 years to make it happen. Apollo 11 launched from Kennedy Space Center on July 16, 1969. On board the Saturn V rocket were 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. 4 days later, they reached lunar orbit. Then came the moment of truth. Armstrong and Aldrin boarded the lunar module, Eagle, leaving Collins in orbit aboard Columbia. After a tense descent and a few close calls, the Eagle landed in the Sea of Tranquility. Armstrong's words crackled through millions of TVs and radios. And then at 10:56 p.m. Eastern Time, that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2.5 hours on the lunar surface, collecting samples and conducting experiments. Back on Earth, people cheered, cried, and celebrated. They returned safely to Earth on July 24, 1969, completing a journey of over 950,000 miles. The mission proved not only what humans could do, but what we could dream. Over 50 years later, the moon still calls to us. And as new missions prepare to return, this time to stay, we look back at Apollo 11 as the mission that showed us the way.